night, lift up the shades, let in the brilliant light of morning. But steady me now, for I am weak and starving for mercy. Sleep has left me alone to carry the weight of unraveling where we went wrong. It's all I can do to hang on, to keep me from falling into old familiar shoes. How stupid could I be? A simpleton could see that you're no good for me, but you're the only one I see. Love has made me a fool, set me on fire and watched as I floundered, unable to speak except to cry out and wait for your answer. But you come around in your time, speaking of fabulous places, create an oasis that dries up as soon as you're gone. You leave me here burning in this desert